मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के। मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के। यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया। मेरे दिल की ये दुआ है कभी दूर तू न जाए, तेरे बिना हो जीना वो दिल कभी न आए। मेरे दिल की ये दुआ है।
Generally, it is, I take the opportunity to thank in the last somebody whom I love and whom I always felt that I'm blessed to have as my partner in life. But today, I think this surprise, which my better half Priya has pulled out from Singapore, is unbelievable. I just can't imagine how she has managed to get this thing done. So I think a big thanks to her. I don't have words. I don't know what is her emotion at this point of time, but last 1 month she has been doing all these things, and some of you all have told me that how regularly she is in touch. No wonder she was not in regular touch with me when I reached home. Love you, Priya. Love you. I just don't have words to thank you for this brilliant occasion. There are so many of my memories out here. Let me not put it friends, because I think you guys are beyond friends for me. And I think everyone who Priya and my friends have put an effort to reach, I think it just gives me one lesson in life. That when you're in the house, your partner is always listening of how closely you are speaking to some of the people and what are the names which get repeated. And these are all names which have been in my house regularly spoken. So I think she's picked up every single cue and every single name, and she has reached out specifically to many of you all individually and to many of you all through some of the common connects. I don't have any words. She gave me a surprise. She said she's going to some temple and she's wearing a new sari. I don't know.
I'm Ananya. I'm Raja's eldest daughter. Good evening. Welcome. It means so much to our family that you guys could make it here today. And I know that it means the world to my father because each and every one of you is his family. And if there's one thing that my father and his relationships throughout the years have taught me, it's yaar bina chain ka hai. So it's surreal to see each and every one of you here. I don't recognize half of you because I've seen y'all maybe when I was 2, 3, and the fact that y'all are still here decades later just means so much and has so much to say about the kind of bonds that he's built over the years. Thank you so much for being here on this special evening. We have another little surprise planned for him, but before that, can we please have a huge round of applause for my brilliant mother who pulled all this off? She's on video call. She has single-handedly, of course, coordinating with everyone here, called every single person and managed to keep it a surprise and planned this party for over a month now. And it's amazing to see it actually happen. Amma, everyone misses you so much.
Shower His choicest blessings on you. Have a fantastic year and wish you more prosperity.
Happy 50th birthday. Let you be very, very cool and hope you have an amazing 50 more years.
Let's go! Happy birthday!
Hi, Singapore se Raja. Wish you a very happy birthday, man.
Wishing you and blessing you lots and lots of good health on your 50th milestone birthday.
And may the Almighty give you loads and loads of happiness, prosperity, success, peace, health, and an unlimited stock of premium exclusive bottles. You know what I mean, right? Cheers, man,
We
cheers.
will be there to open the premium bottles also.
Great.
He's your boss, but I think he's too many layers. He's senior to you.
The moment when you interviewed me for the job, I was in the presence of greatness. Your leadership wisdom, and
Happy birthday, Rajni. Happy birthday. So we have a fun birthday.
I am Mark, coming to you all the way from Sonipat, Haryana, wishing you many happy returns of the day. Just wanted to say a big thank you for always supporting all of my dreams and passions, both emotionally as well as financially. More importantly, thank you for inculcating great taste in music in me. Also, thank you for all the random midnight meals that you brought home throughout childhood, be it anda curry or paneer chili or vada pav or dosa from Annaji. I will always cherish those memories and those meals. And I can't believe that you're turning 50, and neither can my friends. You are and will always be the hot and handsome dad. Importantly, thank you for your routine, good morning, how are you text. They make me feel so seen and so grounded and so loved and validated every single day, even though we live miles apart. Love you, miss you, and hope you have an amazing day in your life.
Happy birthday, Amma. Congrats on your half century. Thank you for being my first best friend and the best father that I've had. Love you so much.
I'm the much older looking younger brother of Rajaram. For those who don't know, I'm going to try something a little different today. I'm going to try and speak out some of the most cherished and memorable moments that I've spent with my brother over the past 40-something years in the form of poetry. Now, depending on how it goes, depending on how much encouragement and how much participation I get from you guys, it can be the most embarrassing moments of my life, or it can be the two most memorable moments of this evening. Okay. It's up to you. So I'm going to keep this little conversation. I'm going to recite a couple lines and then I'm going to say run or ask run and you guys should say Pure Putas. Okay? So let's rehearse this a couple of times and then that I will do it. Run show a little bit more excitement, a little bit more enthusiasm. Okay, it's not run So, here it goes. 1974 में शुरू हुई है इस टेलीविजन की कहानी। ये वो ज़माना था जब जूते थे बाटा के और चप्पलें थी लकड़ी। सड़कों पर कार कम, साइकिलें ज़्यादा हुआ करती थी। ये वो वक्त था जब सीधे नलों से पिया करते थे हम पानी। रन कितने बने? बचपन से ही पॉपुलर था, टीचरों का लड़का था। स्कूल तक अकेले ही जाकर अकेले ही चलकर वापस आता था। पीले कलर की यूनिफॉर्म और ब्राउन कलर की टाई में बड़ा क्यूट तो लगता था। ये वो वक्त था जब तू लड़कियों के साथ कम और लड़कों के साथ ज्यादा खेलता था। रन कितने बने? पढ़ाई में कम, हमेशा से स्पोर्ट्स में ज्यादा रुचि रखता था। क्रिकेट, हॉकी, बास्केटबॉल, थ्रोबॉल, बैडमिंटन, ऐसा कोई स्पोर्ट नहीं जो ये नहीं खेल सकता था। ठीक इसी वजह से मैं भी ये सारे स्पोर्ट्स खेल रहा था, लेकिन अव्वल नंबर तो सिर्फ इसी का आता था। बचपन बीते, अब जवानी की स्टोरियां 90s का दौर था। क्रिकेट का बॉल बड़े जोरों से इसके सर पर सवार था। जहां बैट देखी बैटिंग करता था, जहां बॉल देखी बॉलिंग करता था, जहां लड़की देखी फील्डिंग लगाता था। जहां एक से मेरी बात नहीं हो पा रही थी, न जाने ये कैसे 4-5 के साथ सेटिंग कर लेता था। रन कितने बने? फिर एक दौर ऐसा आया जब करियर के डिमांड्स का बड़ा स्पर्धा था। इसके डगमगाते कदम देख ICICI थाम लेता है इसका हाथ। ब्रांच मैनेजर से लेकर CEO तक का फासला तय किया है पूरी मेहनत और पसीने बहाकर इसने दिन रात, जहां हर 26 दिन इंसान अपनी फोन बदलता है, इसने पूरे 27 साल बिताए ICICI के साथ। ये नहीं तो फिर क्या है बात। सात समंदर पार रहता हूँ, याद तो तेरी आती है हर रात। खास करके उन दिनों जब हाथों में जान तो होता है, लेकिन हंसने के लिए होता नहीं किसी का साथ। जालिम जिंदगी ने हम दोनों को अलग अलग मंजिलें दी और दिया फासलों का सौगात, लेकिन उसी जिंदगी ने आज हमें दिया है ये महफिल, ये मौका और दोस्तों यारों का साथ। रन कितने बने? पूरे 50।
Surprise. I know you hate it, and I think you are wondering that what did I do? I've made a big mistake, and you're upset because, according to you and many others, I think these occasions or big celebrations are supposed to be celebrated with so-called family. You do have your family there. That is Vijay and Ananya, and your extended family, that is your friends. So I think you should just chill and enjoy with them. Speaking is not my forte, so I'm very nervous. But I just want to get this message across that, the one thing I learned staying away from home for the past 1.5 years is that you should seize every opportunity and the moment that you get back home with friends. And there's never going to be a perfect time to celebrate anything. So, since you are already in Mumbai celebrating Amma's 75th birthday, so Vijay and I took this opportunity to organize this party, surprise party, that you so deserve, with the Zenith group and family, and Ananya too, who pitched in and a lot, in spite of a busy schedule. Thanks, Anu. Thank you everyone who for making this a fantastic surprise.
Seriously, when I saw Kailash down in the lift, and for people who don't know, Kailash is my first boss in ICICI, Kailash Kulkarni. When I saw him down in the lift when I was climbing upstairs with my brother, I just went and asked him, "Boss, what are you doing in this building out here?" And that too in the evening on a Friday. But I don't know, somehow I started getting some feel that something is wrong. Kailash cannot be in this building. That was very clear. So I did not know what's happening, but somehow by the time we came through the lift, some emotions were running to me, but then Kailash ultimately got hold of me and said, "Boss, abhi floor mein aa gaya, I'll have to break it now, just come in." So I knew that something is in store for me out here for the next 10 steps, but I did not know that it's going to be this big. I did not know this is going to be this big, and the color that I've got right from my childhood friends, my ICICI cricket friends, my ICICI Bank cricket friends, and my great ICAP colleagues. My mother being a surprise, and today she gave me a surprise. She said she's going to some temple and she's wearing a new sari. I don't know what. And that was in front of me at 7:30. When I was telling her that I'm going with my brother to maybe we'll just go out for a drink or have dinner and come just to enjoy, take rest. She said, yeah, I'm also going to the temple. Let me wear some nice sari, and she went. She fooled me. So that was a big surprise. And my friends out here, Rameshana, Girish, Ganesh, Karthik, and then Chota Gang. I think you guys have made my evening, and I really don't have words. And thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot. I can only tell you one thing, that today I feel very proud of myself that there are so many of my friends who are here for me, and I feel proud that I have done something good, that I have earned friends like you all. So I'm very, very happy. And I think that's something which I will cherish for life, and thank you so much. Thanks a lot, and Amma, thank you for keeping one more surprise. Thanks a lot. No, I'll cry. I can't because, no, I can't say anything for her. Maybe I can only go and spend a couple of days only with Anvisha, and maybe a couple of weeks only with Priya out there. I don't have words because I know how much that girl is missing me today and how much Priya must be missing me. And at a time when their board exams are going on, so I'm just getting emotion because whatever they have pulled it off sitting in Singapore is unbelievable. And thank you so much friends for coming here and making this happen. I'll carry this cherish back to Singapore. I don't know what I'm going to do back in the flight and going back to Singapore and cherishing all these things. Maybe I think you'll have given me celebration moment for the next 1 year. Every Saturday, Sunday, I can just see the videos and keep celebrating. I think. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, guys. It means a lot. Thank you so much. And I think true to what I am. The party begins now. The party begins now, and ये रात अभी शुरू.
Happy birthday, Raja. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Raja. बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी
one guy big time. Everyone has kept surprises. I thought I am good. I was fooled. Other people, my daughter gave me a surprise, my mom gave me a surprise. But there is one guy who's stone-faced. Stone-faced. He's there. They're all friends. I will deal with them separately. I'll have to maybe extend my trip, but पूरे कितने साल के हुए? I just couldn't see even the slightest of hint in that. Where's my brother? My younger brother. I think lot he explained what we have been for the last so many years in just maybe 5 minutes of his video. But I think the memories that we share, we've been apart from what 15-20 years now. When he narrated in such good Hindi. But I could see that talent today from him. It was like he was resembling some actor, well practiced, and he did that well. And that was one more surprise. I knew this guy is full of surprises, but that was one more surprise. But last 48 hours, this guy has been only asking me about some of my friends all of a sudden. And I I thought maybe we are meeting after a long time and he's asking how the other person is and all those things, and suddenly, like when we were coming, reaching this place, he asked me, how's Dhananjay? How's Subbu? I said, why on earth is he asking? And at this point of time, I said maybe generally. Then I realized I started seeing people out here. And I think Kailash also, when he saw him in the lift, they both behaved as if they don't know each other. Which actually we don't, but they played their part very well. They played their part very well and realized that, okay boss, is it that the silence is getting broken in few seconds? No, you cannot come to this building, Kailash, I didn't tell you that. That much is very clear. You cannot come here for any official work. And last 48, 72 hours, this guy has been, I think, continuously doing something or the other which was not coming to my foresight at all. I just couldn't think what he's doing, because I always thought that he will always do what he likes. वो अपना ही मनमोजी में रहता है. He always do what he wants. But pulling out something like this, I think this party, maybe I will divide it into three parts. Singapore, US and India, you friends. I think I cannot ask for anything better than this, and love you brother, and my family out there, Sangi, my two champs, Arya, Aditya. I think all of you all, we really miss you, and as Priya rightly said, and I was always telling her that all of us have to be here to celebrate occasions, and I think this is one occasion where they have come back very strongly to say that you do not have to wait for occasions to celebrate just because people are not there. It's an occasion you celebrate, and you can celebrate with all your kith and kin and friends. And this is a big lesson. I think I give it to Priya, Sangi, kids out there, my daughter Anvisha who is missing this big one, Arya, Aditya, my two people out there. I think thank you so much. Thank you so much for the family effort that has gone into making this very, very special for me, man. Thank you so much, bro. I just can't imagine what you've done for me. Thanks a lot. Thank you, guys.